we've lost somewhere around 40 to 60% of our organic matter from our soils in the last 50 to 75 years. And I can remember when I was going to school, the professor would say to me, he'd say, "You can't build organic matter." Well, I guess I just have one question for the professor. How to get there in the first place? If you can't build it, and he's right, you can't build it under current farming management. If you're gonna be tilling it, you're always burning it up. It's just like lighting a fire to it. You're lighting a fire to those microbes, adding the oxygen, and it's going up into the atmosphere. When you go to a no-till system, now you're slowing it down, okay? So now you're not adding so much oxygen, but you're not adding the extra carbon. The only way you get that extra carbon is by adding more roots. About 75, 85% of your organic matter comes from below ground. It's not so important what is much above ground. A lot of that gets oxidized, goes up into the atmosphere. Most of that carbon comes from what's below ground. So getting more roots and turning them over will add a lot of organic matter to your soils, okay? And that's what we're doing with this no-till. We're getting back into the green, making it like that native vegetation because we're mimicking it very closely.